Hello everyone, hope all you guys doing very well. Today I am working on electric turbo. So this is my battery setup. I just want to share you how I am going to make my battery setup. So this one is BSM for the lithium cells, as you can see. It's 3.7 volt, 20 ampere. I am just using this for charging my battery and monitoring the temperature sensor. The load will be directly from the batteries, so this is only for charging purpose. Then this is aluminum case I am going to use for battery, as you can see. So I am also installing 250 ampere breaker. So the breaker will be installed on this side, and plus from one battery and the negative from the second battery will be placed right here, will be attached together, and I will place in between two batteries. Then the other two wires will be go from this side, and I will cut this side and I will install rubber groovement on this side. Then I am also planning to use active fan control. So if the temperature exceed more than 50 Celsius, the fan will run automatically. So I am using this fan. Though it's a small fan, but I run it blow very well. So this fan will be installed like this. I will cut this side and I will place this fan on this side. So when the cover is closed, the fan will sit right here or maybe here. So this is the setup for the battery. Also I am using 12 volt to 48 volt 3 ampere step up converter. And I am also going to install one side. There is a tape that one side is adhesive and second side is just a foam. So I will install that all around this box. So I have to secure the batteries so they will not hit on the walls. So now finally the battery box is completed. As you can see, I try my best to make it clean, but this is what I end up. So as you can see, this is a cooling system. Okay, the fan controller, temperature sensor, it will start running if the temperature in the box is 45 degrees Celsius. This is step down converter from 48 volt to 12 volt for battery controller. This is always running. Then we have our BMS. So BMS is only for charging purpose. These are the wires going to the battery. Then there is also a temperature sensor on BMS. I attached it to the wire. Then under the BSM you can see the fuse box. It is 200 ampere box fuse. Then this wire is to charge the batteries, and this is step up converter. As you can see, this is input and this is output. It's It's a 12 volt to 48 volt, 3 ampere. So its output is 3 ampere, but the input is more, like around 13 ampere. Okay. Then this is wires to go into the ESC, and these two small wires, these are actually connected here between two batteries, where two wires are connected to become series. There is a temperature switch. Let me find. This is battery. This is a temperature switch. So they are 65. They cut out the switch at 65 degrees Celsius. So if the temperature of this wire is near 65 Celsius, it will cut out, and the cut out will cut the high ampere relay. So this is all for now. There is a little bit space to expand battery while discharging, as you can see from this side and this side. These are some packings, so batteries will not jump around while driving the car. This hole, I will install a plastic pipe, and the pipe will go to the front grill where the air can get in. And the fan will take out all the hot air from the battery. So the next step will be to install the motor on the turbo compressor side. So this is the impeller. It has 2.5 inch inducer and 3.5 inch extruder. Then I need to install the motor right here. Somehow I will manage to install the motor. Let me show you the motor, how it looks like. So I choose SSS motor. This one is little cheap. I hope it will work. So it is 1000 kV and 48 volts. It has 8 mm shaft. As you can see, it quite large motor. It's around 800 grams. Then this is the model number 5694 V2. Then this is pump to cool down the motor. I will install the water jacket on the motor. The water jacket is here. This is water jacket for the motor. Then this is ESC. In this project, most expensive part is the ESC and the batteries. Other parts are not that expensive. So this one is CTW. It is 300 ampere. 300 ampere up to 14S. The model number is G2. this is a Bluetooth module for the ESC. So in upcoming videos I will show once I am going to work on the turbo side. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.